Hello and welcome everyone in my today's live streaming. First of all, good afternoon everybody for joining my live today. I really appreciate everyone. You all have come to join my live streaming, everyone. So thank you so much everybody. I hope everybody is fine. So this live streaming is about the Get Live CandyDrop skate. Okay, this is about the Get Live CandyDrop skate everybody. Okay, so I'm going to give you all the relevant information about this project everybody. So you will get here all the authentic information everybody. All the authentic information you will get here. I will provide you all the authentic information, guys. So you just need to stay connected till the end of this live streaming. All right everybody, hold on a second. Please join, guys. Please join as soon as possible. Hello, good morning everyone. Very warm good morning everybody. Very warm good morning everyone. ठीक है everybody, तो चलो आप देख सकते हो. Okay, welcome everybody. So this is the CandyDrop and skate. Okay everybody, this is the CandyDrop cross skate, which is SKAT. Participate in trading. Okay everybody, participate in trading to share this much of skate everybody. This is the 10 lakh skate. Okay, this is the 10 lakh skate. Okay everybody, so you can be able to participate in the trading to share the 10 lakh skate everybody. Okay, so CandyDrop is a candy airdrop platform, okay, launched by the Get, where users can earn candies by completing tasks and participate in token airdrops everybody. You can participate in the token airdrops. So how is this possible? You have to, where the users can earn candies. Okay everybody, and you need to, how you will be able to earn the candies everybody, by completing the given task. Okay, and then you participate in the token airdrops. Okay, so a nationwide airdrop event is now launched, where users can join in the distribution of 10 lakh skate. Okay everybody, 10 lakh skate. So this airdrop has already been launched everybody. This already been launched on the nationwide. Okay everybody, nationwide it has already been launched, and the distribution is 10 lakh skate super airdrop by completing GT or skate trades of 10 USDT equivalent tokens. Okay, GT or skate trades of 10 USDT equivalent tokens. Now we have here the event time. So event time is, guys, June 9, 2025. Okay, to June 28, 2025 everybody. So this is the period, okay, trading period. It has already started on the June 9th, 2025, guys, and it is going to be end on 28th of June. 28th of June everyone. ठीक है, total price pool is 10 lakh skate. Individual cap for split is 2000 skate everybody. Okay, total prize pool is 1000 skate and individual cap for split is 2000 skate. Now we have here the participation method. Okay, what are the participation method? So first one is click the join button on the event interface. Okay everybody, what you need to do, what will be your first step or the participation method is you need to click on join button on the event interface. After successful joining, proceed with trading and CandyDrop will start counting your valid activity data. Okay everybody, so proceed with the trading, then the candy airdrop, and it will start counting your valid activity data. Now number 2, receive corresponding candy based on task completion and share the airdrop proportionally. Okay, share the airdrop proportionally. Candy will be distributed to users 1 to 3 hours after completing the task. So number 3 is guys, candy will be distributed to users 1 to 3 hours after completing the task. Please log in to check the candy obtained from the CandyDrop 3 hours after completing the task, my dear loved ones. Okay, now so you can click on this and participate now. Okay, so अगर आप ये click करोगे then you will have to enter your login username and the login password. Okay, now future trading price pool rules everyone. We have here the futures trading price pool rules. So first one, during the event users will receive 1 candy for a GT futures trading volume greater than equals to 10 USDT and 1 candy for a skate futures trading volume 10 USDT, sharing a prize pool of this much of skate. Okay everybody, so 6,66,666 skate with a maximum individual of 1000 skate everybody. So for the upper limit for this is 1000 skate everybody. Upper limit for this project is the 1000 skate. Okay, second one, we have futures trading volume is equals to enter a position plus close position everybody. Futures trading volume is equals to what? Enter a position plus close position. Alright, now we have the third one. Users airdrop is equals to the number of candies obtained by the user slash the total number of candies obtained by all users multiplied by this much of skate everybody. I hope everything is getting clear to you. Okay, whatever I am explaining to you guys. Okay, at any specific point of time, if you have any query, okay, if you are not understanding, okay everybody, then you may ask me the questions. Okay, and you can send your query in the inbox everyone. Okay, I'll read it out and provide you the solution for the same. Second one, we have the spot trading price pool rules. Okay, so what are the rules everybody? So I always said this guys, before doing investment in any project. Okay, so first of all, you should have all the relevant ideas about the rules. Okay, what are the rules to participate in? Okay, so first one is during the event Users can receive one candy for a GT spot trading. Volume of greater equals to 10 USDT, and one candy for a skate spot trading volume of greater than equals to 10 USDT. Sharing a prize pool of this much of skate with a maximum individual share of 1000 skate, everybody, with a maximum individual share of the 1000 skate. So this is the maximum limit. इंडिविजुअल शेयर आपका कितना होगा? इंडिविजुअल शेयर लिमिट इज 1000 स्केट एवरीवन. Second one, spot trading volume is equals to spot buy volume plus spot sell volume. Third one, user airdrop is equals to the number of candies received by the users slash the total number of candies received by all the users multiplied by 3,33,334 sket. Alright, so as of now I think everything is clear to you. Okay, so this is for the rules for the future trading price pool rules, and second one, spot trading price pool rules, everybody. ठीक है? Now I am proceeding. Okay everyone, now I have the short disclaimer of the project introduction, everybody. I'll give you the detailed information about this project, okay everybody, from the official website and from the official white paper of this project. So project introduction. SCAT is a multi-VM infrastructure project that lets any decentralized application run seamlessly across multiple blockchains, both EVM and alternative VMS. It also provides native access to VM specific applications on other chains, so EVM apps can operate directly within SVM or Move environments. SCAT's core product is the SCAT AMM, enabling a multi-VM single liquidity curve across the all chains. Alright, notes we have. First one, participants must click the join button on the event page, successfully join the event and complete the event task and identification to receive the rewards. Second one, rewards will be distributed to users account within the 14 working days after the event ends, with a total reward of 10 lakh SCAT, everybody. Okay, now third one we have, it is strictly prohibited to register multiple sub accounts, engage in malicious wash trading, self buying and selling, or any other cheating behaviors. Multiple account of the same verified users will be regarded as the same account. Sub accounts are not allowed to participate in the activities. Okay. Fourth one, market makers, enterprises and institutions are not allowed to participate in this event, everybody. Okay. Fifth one, in case of any discrepancies arises between the translated versions and the English version, the English version shall prevail. Sixth one, GET has the final interpretation rights for this event. Seventh, users in restricted areas may not have access to all or some services, including the participation in this event, games or the competitions. For detailed information about restricted areas, please read the user agreement. Okay. Eighth one is risk warning. So users should be aware that the virtual currency trading is affected by various factors such as the market and the policies. The market is highly volatile and price fluctuations are difficult to predict. Please be cautious of market risks and trade carefully everyone. ठीक है? This is the candy drops. Okay everybody, this is the candy drop. Then this kit. So this is the ongoing everybody, this is the ongoing project. This is the ongoing project. So SCAT is a multi VM infrastructure project that lets any decentralized application run seamlessly across the multiple block chains everyone. ठीक है? Total price pool they have 10 lakh total price pool my dear loved ones. ठीक है? 10 lakh total price pool, 1,53,248 participants as of now. So just understand the popularity of this project everybody. You need to just sorry alright everyone. So just understand the popularity of this project everybody. Okay. So they have the 1,53,248 participants. Okay. Allocated candies is 1,71,164. Okay. Allocated candies this much. Okay. Event is going to be end in 3 days, 3 hours and 1 minute. Okay everybody. Wait. Okay everyone. So allocated candies देख सकते हो आप लोग. Event ends in 3 days 3 hours. Okay. चलो. Registration has opened on 9th of June. Candy distribution end time is 25th 28th of June everybody. Candy distribution end time is 28th of June. Airdrop देख सकते हो. Okay everyone. So complete task to share 10 lakh skate prize pool everybody. What you need to do? You need to complete the task. Okay. You need to complete the task to share the 10 lakh skate prize pool. Okay, future trading to share 6,66,666 skate. Total tokens आप देख सकते हो. Individual share limit is 1000 skate. Okay, individual share limit is 1000 skate. Complete task. Okay guys, complete task to earn the candy from the prize pool. First login and participate. Complete the task. Claim up to 1000 skate. ओके. एक्टिविटी रूल्स तो मैंने आपको बता दिया है. लेट मी ये तो मैंने आपको अभी थोड़ी देर पहले ही बताया था. स्पॉट ट्रेडिंग टू शेयर इतना. हाँ ठीक है. सो टर्म्स एंड कंडीशंस इज ऑल्सो देयर एवरीवन. ओके. सो जस्ट हैव अटेंशन. ओके. आई वांट योर अटेंशन एवरीवन. Hashtag terms and conditions. So participants must click the join button on the event page. After successfully joining the event, complete the event task and identity verification to receive the rewards. Second one, rewards will be distributed within 14 business days after the event concludes. Total event rewards are 10 lakh of SCAT. Third, bulk registration of multiple accounts, malicious volume manipulation, washing, trading, self dealing, or other cheating behavior are strictly prohibited. Multiple accounts verified under the same user identity will be considered a single account. Some accounts are not eligible for the participants. आई थिंक कि यही है टर्म्स एंड कंडीशन सेम है. ओके एवरीबडी, सो टर्म्स एंड कंडीशन इज सेम. आई हैव ऑलरेडी narrated this to you. Okay, so it is ongoing everybody. You can log in here as well. This is, we have the spot of the SCAT everybody. Spot of the SCAT, which is giving you the investment cost of 0.04245. So if somebody wanted to trade with SCAT, you can do the trade with SCAT as well everyone. Okay everyone, so this is the SCAT USDT. Okay, 24-hour highest 0.04528, 24-hour lowest 0.04022, 24-hour volume 81.88 million and 24-hour turnover is 3.51 million everybody. Okay, सो देख सकते हो वॉल्यूम काफ़ी बढ़िया मिलता हुआ नज़र आ रहा है हमें. सो यू कैन ट्रेड विद द SCAT एवरीबडी. ओके, if you have any query, feel free to ask me everybody. Alright everyone, so this is the spot and now we'll see the official website. Okay everybody, we'll see the official website of this project everybody, which is https://www.skatchain.org everyone. Okay, so we'll see the detailed information from the official website of this project everyone. So guys, I hope you all are enjoying this live streaming everybody. Okay, chalo guys, so this is the connecting all VMS. Okay, so connecting all VMS, SCAT enables users to interact with the applications from any VM while staying on their favorite VM. Okay, so what we do? Okay, so what we do? So building the future of cross VM interactions. Okay, building the future of cross VM interactions. So यहाँ पे देख सकते हो They connect all connecting all VMs. Use your favorite app from your device VM, spanning across EVM, TVM, SVM and more. ठीक है, चलो. Single app all chains. Run and use the same app on all chains. Single interface, unified experience. Frictional integration. Okay everyone, frictional integration. Integrate your app with Sketch in minutes without the need for complete SDKs. Okay, backed by the industry, a shared belief backed by industry leaders. Okay, so these are the industry leaders. Okay, ecosystem, seamlessly connectivity everybody. देख सकते हो ecosystem. So what others are saying, Nasdaq ये सब देख सकते हो. Our achievements. Okay everybody, so achievements यहाँ पे देखी जाए तो 28 chains, 2.5 million transactions, 55 partners and 4 VMS. Okay, our blogs 2024 connecting the how Sketch is connecting the AL to VM future. Okay, network Sketch execution. It is a very important update. X पे चलो. एक्सप्लोर स्केट पार्क. ओके चलो इसको देखते हैं क्या है ये एक्सप्लोर स्केट पार्क. Welcome to Skate Park. Dive into Skate's ecosystem of cross VM apps and start earning Season 1 Ollies. Season 1 Ollies. Okay everybody. So welcome to Skate Park. Okay, welcome to Skate Park. Dive into Skate's ecosystem and cross VM apps and start earning Season 1 Ollies. How it works? Every interaction in the skate park allows you to earn ollies, demonstrating your commitment and belief in skate. Do you have what it takes to become a true skater? Join now and let your journey begins. Season 1 app देख सकते हो ये वाला. Okay, चलो ब्लॉग्स इकोसिस्टम पे आ जाते हैं हम लोग. इकोसिस्टम, सो स्केट इकोसिस्टम explores skates. Okay everybody, explore skates growing ecosystem of partners. If you are interested in building a stateless app on all VMs, please fill out the form below. Okay, idram the foundation of decentralized finance. यहाँ पे बेस BNB चेन. ओके, ये सारे इकोसिस्टम देख सकते हो आप लोग इसका. Alright everybody, so they have a very great ecosystem everyone. So this is the doc. Okay, doc white paper. So yeah, so blog पे बात कर ले. This is the blog of this sketch. Alright, we'll discuss it later. Okay, now we'll take a look on the official white paper of this sketch everybody. So this is the official white paper of this sketch. So sketch 101 getting started. Okay everyone, understanding the sketch everybody, understanding the sketch. SCAT connects all VMs and enables users to interact with applications from any VM while staying on their favorite VM. Okay, second one is visit SCAT park. Okay, sorry, introduction. This is the ठीक है. Visit skate park. Second one is skate park is a place where users can dive into the ecosystem of cross VM apps and earn ollies. Ollies represents your commitment and aims to reward those that build and grow the skate ecosystem. Okay. Third one, engaging with skate community. From the latest news about skate, follow us on these platforms X and Discord. I will take a look on these platforms as well, everyone. ठीक है. Useful sources, RPC, Explorer, Dashboard Skate Shuffle. Okay, everybody. Articles, how SCAT connects ALTVMs and SCAT execution network. Understanding the SCAT. So guys, understanding the SCAT. What is actually SCAT, everybody? What is SCAT? And there's a big question that why SCAT? Okay. Alright, everyone. So SCAT is an infrastructure layer. SCAT is an infrastructure layer that enables users to interact seamlessly from their native chains by connecting them all VMs. EVM, Ton VM, Solana VM. Okay. For users, we provide apps that run from and in their preferred environment. For developers, we manage cross-chain complexity and introduce a new application paradigm to enable apps the be built with a single application state while serving all chains and all VMS, everybody. ठीक है. Okay, everybody. So do you have any questions, guys? Please feel free to ask me. Any queries, everybody? Any questions related to this project, then please do let me know and ask me the questions. Okay. Now here is a big question. Why SCAT? Okay, why SCAT? So virtual machines, which is VMS, are the foundation of blockchains, allowing for the execution of smart contracts and the development of decentralized applications. While the EVM pioneered virtual machines, the exponential growth of alternative virtual machines such as Solana VM, Ton VM, and Move VM is heralding a new multi-chain primitive for Web3. Each of these VMS offers unique value propositions and advantages, carving out and solidifying their positions in the blockchain space. Okay. However, despite their advantages, many of these chains remain nascent in terms of application maturity. Ethereum continues to lead the application space, maintaining the deepest liquidity and the most mature application ecosystem. For new users accessing existing EVM applications across the chains, often requires cumbersome and intuitive cross-chain navigation, creating barriers to a seamless experience. Developers face similar hurdles as they must manage verifying technical architectures, differing implementations, and cross-chain integrations, adding to the complexity of app development. Skate wants to revolutionize user experience and developers experience by introducing an orchestration layer to connect all virtual machines to all users in their native environment. We want to turn users to stay on turn while we facilitate interactions to other VMS such as EVM Solana. Okay everyone, engage with Skate. Okay, so engage with Skate community. How you can engage? Okay, engage. So join our community and stay updated with all our latest news and happenings. Interact with other like-minded people, receive latest platform updates, and access exclusive perks. So this is the official X Twitter handling. I'll take a look on that as well. So this is the Discord and the blog. Overview. Skate's design architecture overview. Okay? So Skate's infrastructure is built on 3 foundational layers. Okay everybody, it is built on 3 foundational layers. Skate's hub chain, the central hub that handles all logic processing and stores the application state. Second one is Skate AVS, an AVS deployed on eigen layer that facilitates the secure delegation of re-staked ETH to Skate's executor network. It serves as the primary source of truth, ensuring that executors perform the required actions on destinations chains. Okay everybody. Third one is executor network. A network of executors responsible for executing actions as defined by the application. Each application has its own set of executors. Okay. As a hub, Skate maintains and updates the shared state, providing directives for connected peripheral chains which will respond only to call data provided by Skate. This is facilitated by our executor network, of which each executor is a registered AVS operator and is responsible for executing these tasks. In the event of any dishonest behavior, we can depend on the AVS as a source of truth to penalize the offending operators. Okay. यूजर फ्लो की बात की जाए तो स्केट इज अ प्राइमरीली इंटेंट पावर्ड एंड ईच इंटेंट encapsulates key information that expresses what users want to perform while also defining the necessary parameters and the boundaries. Users will only be required to sign intents through their native wallet and will only interact from that chain, creating a user native environment. Okay. So the end-to-end intent in flow is described below. Source chain. सोर्स चेन की बात की जाए तो फर्स्ट वन, यूजर्स विल इनिशिएट एक्शन ऑन बाय साइनिंग ऑन इंटेंट signing an intent on ton Solana EVM hashtag skate. First one, executors receives the intent and call process intent on skate. This creates a task that encapsulates key information for executors for task execution. This also emits a task submitted event. Second one, AVS validators will be actively listening for task submitted events and will verify the contents of each task. Upon achieving quorum in our AVS, the relayer will issue a signature that is required for task execution. Destination chain. First one is executor calls executive task on gateway contract. Second one, gateway contract will verify that task was validated by AVS through the issuance of a valid relayer's signature before function call defined in task can be performed. Third one, function call data is executed and intent is marked as complete. Okay everyone. We'll see the execution network. It's a very important thing to look into, guys. Okay. Okay guys, I hope everybody is understanding, guys. Okay, so guys, if you have any query related to this project, everyone, please feel free to ask me the questions, everybody. Okay, so now we have the execution network. How cross chain intents are proceeded by the SCET. Okay, so SCET execution network consists of a transaction relayer, a set of executors along with executor registries on kernel and every supported chain. Okay everybody, or every supported chain. First one is executors. These specialized entities, either from SCET or third party providers, handle user intents across blockchains. They must manage their own cross-chain inventories and execution plans. In exchange, they receive fees from users who need their transactions settled through the SCET. Second one is relayer. The relayer oversees the confirmation results from SCET AVS and attests to them by singing, effectively preparing the call data for the executor. Third one is executor registry. The executor registry manages the addition and removal of executors. SCET's design ensures consistency and partition tolerance, which is CP system. Consistency and participation tolerance, which is CP system. As a result, an executor must register on a specific periphery chain before being allocated a related intent. A high-level overview of the whole SCET flow within execution network. Okay everyone, so execution network का flow आप देख सकते हो, ठीक है? Alright everyone, ये तो हम लोगों ने देख लिया. So this is the SCET poly market everyone, SCET poly market. So in our recent pilot with poly market on Tone and Solana, SCET revolutionizes the user experience, enabling users to interact with the poly market as though it were natively integrated across chain. Okay, natively integrated across chains. Users can directly buy, sell, and redeem winning from their native chain and using their native wallet. So there is no bridging and no cross chain interactions required from the users. Okay, everyone. Now explore our Eclipse app here, explore our Ton app here. Site, okay, देख सकते हो आप लोग. So it is evident that there are many hurdles from bridging and also managing different users account that may be cumbersome and difficult to navigate for the new users. Okay. So for users, we deliver a seamless native experience enabling them to operate with just one wallet from their native chain. Okay, everybody. So with just one wallet from their native chain. So for developers, we simplify the development process by allowing them to offload cross-chain interactions and managements to Skate's infrastructure. Additionally, we empower their applications by introducing a unified state, eliminating redundant deployments and duplicate states, allowing developers to focus entirely on innovation rather than infrastructure management. Okay, everybody. So Skate AMM. Skate AMM is also very much important information you should know, everyone. So stateless app. So our upcoming flagship product Skate AMM is designed to evaluate the native user experience across chain by introducing a revolutionary pricing and the liquidity model. Built on Skate's core design principles of composability and single application state, the State AMM leverages an aggregated bitmap that delivers a single unified price across all connected chains. This pricing mechanism mirrors the proven structure of a Uniswap V3 pool, yet extends beyond single chain limitations to provide a truly cross-chain liquidity experience. Okay, everyone. Now, going beyond the traditional AMM. So in traditional AMMs, each chain's liquidity is isolated, limited by the constant formula, which is x multiplied by 1 is equals to the k, which is constant. I think k is constant always. So which confines liquidity depth to what is available on that specific chain. Alright. So for emerging chains, this model poses a challenge as bootstrapping and scaling liquidity pools is a slow, resource intensive process. Many chains must rely on fragmented liquidity, which can lead to inconsistent pricing and restricted access to the depth. Alright, everyone. I think one by one everything is getting clear to you, everybody. Okay. So now Skate transforms this landscape by introducing a decentralized bitmap. A single aggregated liquidity source accessible from all chains. So with this approach, a new chain can immediately access liquidity depth almost equivalent to that of the deepest liquid source, regardless of its own native liquidity pool. When users initiate transactions on any supported chain, price is fetched from Skate AMM on Skate, ensuring consistent and accurate pricing regardless on chain the transaction is initiated from. Okay, so regardless on chain the transactions is initiated from. So giving an example of swapping ETC to ETH to USDC in the current multi-chain landscape, each chain typically maintains its own liquidity pool. As a result, users on different chain experience variable pricing that depends on the liquidity available locally, often leading to higher slippage and inconsistent rates, particularly on newer chains with limited liquidity depth. Okay. So with SCAT AMM, okay everyone, however, this experience changes entirely. Imagine a user initiating an ETH/USDT swap on a newly launched chain. Thanks to SCAT's, okay everyone, thanks to SCAT's aggregated liquidity model, which unifies and maintains pricing based on the combined liquidity across all connected chains, the user can now access pricing that reflect a deep liquidity pool. This means that even on a chain with lower liquidity, SCAT provides access to competitive, stable pricing that would otherwise only be achieved on a higher liquidity network. Okay, now the last one is SCAT Shuffle. Okay, so SCAT Shuffle. Okay everyone, so extending beyond Poly Market, we have enabled 10 of apps to go cross chain. We allowed users to interact from their native chain using their favorite wallet without bridging. This unlocks unlimited possibilities and redefines what it means for the applications. No more siloed applications, no more weird incompatibilities. Explore, skate, shuffle here, view, shuffle strats. Okay everybody, so this all the relevant information I was giving you from the official doc of the SCAT everyone. Now this is the blockchain. Okay everybody, either scan blockchain, देख सकते हो blockchain transactions pending. So last 25 from a total of 71,668 transactions as of now everybody. Analytics पे जाते हैं, we'll see the analytics here. Total transactions count. Okay, 29 days active age. You need 20 days का. मोर के पे जाएंगे तो टूल्स एंड सर्विसेज, डिस्कवर मोर ऑफ ईदर स्कैन्स टूल्स एंड सर्विसेज इन वन प्लेस. तो आप देख सकते हो ये सारा रेलेवेंट इंफॉर्मेशन है. Powered by Ethereum. Etherscan is a block explorer and analytics platform for Ethereum, a decentralized smart contract platform. Alright everyone, so yeah, now let us take a dive of the official X Twitter handling of our platform, which is get_io, everybody. So join CandyDrop multiplied SCAT and share 10 lakh SCAT. Okay, get CandyDrop is in full swing. Complete task to earn sweet rewards and claim airdrops everybody. So what you need to do, you need to complete the task to earn the sweet rewards and claim airdrop. Okay, trade or deposit to qualify with up to 2000 SCAT available per users. Okay everyone, Event period from June 9 to 28th of June, everybody. Alright, so event period is June 9 to 10 and June 28 UTC. Event page आप लोगों ने देखा होगा. I had already, this is the event page and ये ठीक है चलो. So hashtag get, okay everybody, hashtag get CandyDrop, hashtag get okay skate, okay. Okay everybody, I hope everybody is understanding. So this is the get launch pool on the Candy airdrop, everybody. Get launch pool on the Candy airdrop. So if you have any questions guys, please feel free to ask me, okay everybody, please feel free to ask me everyone. So you win and share 10 lakh of skate, okay everybody, you can win and share this much of skate. 10 lakh of the skate you can earn everybody. Alright, so ये हमें देखने को मिला ये वाला. चलो, and this is the official X Twitter handling of the skate everybody. This is the official Twitter handling of this skate. So connecting all VMS, okay, connecting all VMS, interact with applications from any VM while staying on their favorite chain, okay everybody. So you can interact with the applications from any VM virtual machines while staying on your favorite chain. Alright, so it is backed by the hash key capital at the Shelina capital, at the Nomad capital, okay. Skate Park, this is the official website link of the skate chain guys. I have already provided you all the relevant information from this official website, okay everybody. They have joined on March 2024. Alright everybody, they have joined on March 2024. They have the total number of following, which is 409 following, and the total number of followers 783.4k followers everyone. Alright, so it's introducing Skate AMM, the first AMM to operate across multiple virtual machine environments including Solana, Ethereum, Su network, Tron blockchain, okay, and more, while maintaining one unified pricing curve. So powered by Skate's cross VM architecture. All right, तो ऑफिशियल वेबसाइट ही खुलेगा अगर इस पे जाते हो। देखते हैं ये क्या है। स्केट AMM कोर लिंक्स वेबसाइट कनेक्टिंग ऑल एक्स डिस्कॉर्ड मीडियम। स्केट AMM पे अगर जाते हैं हम लोग, सो यहाँ पे आप स्केच कर सकते हो एवरीबॉडी। ऑफिशियल वेबसाइट का तो मैंने बता रखा है कि यही ऑफिशियल वेबसाइट है जो मैंने यहाँ पे बताया था आपको, जो कि इंफॉर्मेशन मैंने यहाँ से दिया था। सो कनेक्टिंग ऑल VMS। ओके, ये तो हम लोगों ने देख लिया था। डॉक की अगर बात की जाए तो देखते हैं यहाँ पे डॉक्स में क्या खुलता है। हमारा ये खुल रहा है। हाँ, एक चीज़ यहाँ पे हम लोगों ने छोड़ दिया था गाइस, फ्रिक्वेंटली आस्क्ड क्वेश्चंस। यहाँ पे डेवलपर्स की अगर बात की जाए, ओके, सो डेवलपर्स की अगर बात की जाए यहाँ पे स्केच की एवरीबॉडी। सो स्टेटलेस ऐप कुकबुक। सो बिल्ड अ स्टेटलेस ऐप विद द स्केट इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर। की कॉन्सेप्ट्स की बात की जाए तो फ्रॉम अ डेवलपर्स पर्सपेक्टिव, बिफोर वी डाइव एनी फर्दर, there are 3 key concepts that you need to understand. First one is state flow from kernel to periphery. So state kernel, periphery Solana, periphery base, periphery Bera chain. Okay. So from the stateless app, state flows unidirectionally from skate to other periphery chains. Skate serves as the kernel that stores all critical state variables and logic. Okay. While connected periphery chains perform the necessary auxiliary actions. Second one is the intents as the source. The intents as the source. Okay. Intents encapsulate all the necessary information required for the interaction within your app. The functions serve as the sole entry point for any cross-chain interaction performed on your app. Okay. Third one is task as the messenger for the cross-chain interactions, everyone. So what is kernel? So for any stateless app, it has no inherent. This abstract contract helps bootstrap most of the functions calls that you need to tap into Sket, and allows you to focus on building custom logic specific to your applications, everybody, to your applications. Okay. देख सकते हो सारा रोड मैप है। चलो यहाँ से हम लोग AVS, about Sket AVS. Okay, so about the Sket AVS, everybody. So preliminary, Sket AVS utilizes eigenlayer restaked assets to ensure the economic security of all cross-chain actions. The AVS is responsible for verifying AVS tasks, which are bundled call data and necessary information for Sket executors to settle cross-chain transactions. The AVS verified data output is then signed by the Sket relayer before it is ready to be executed. Okay, everybody, before it is ready to be executed. Now we have the design. Please refer to the Sket AVS for detailed discussions of the Sket design. सोर्स कोड की बात कर लेते हैं यहाँ पे. SCAT uses authentic stack. The contract's code is not available for public at the moment. Alright, no issues. Reward structure. We are working on finalizing the reward structure. Detailed will be discussed once our POC for public go live. Okay. Now operators requirements. Okay everybody, operator requirements. All stake AVS operators must be registered EN layer operator. In addition, the operator need to register to SCAT AVS contracts. The hardware requirements will be dependent on the role of operator. Refer to the operator roles section for the further details. Okay everybody, for the further details. Okay everyone, specialized roles. So specialized roles की बात की जाए as a performer. Okay everybody, specialized roles पे की बात की जाए तो start a performer. To start up a performer node, please download SCAT performer software. Then run the Docker image with the following options. Alright. So aggregate यहाँ पे देख सकते हो endpoint configure. Matrix server. Tasks executions hardware requirement. ठीक है. एग्रीगेटर, एज अ एग्रीगेटर की बात की जाए तो यू कैन स्टार्ट एज एन एग्रीगेटर एवरीबडी. So to start up an aggregator node, one needs access to the authentic CLI and download SCAT aggregator extension package. Then start up the node by specifying the following options. Configure contains essential informations announce. ठीक है. नेटवर्क कॉन्फ़िगर. चलो अब आते हैं हम लोग अटेस्टर पे. ओके एवरीबॉडी, स्टार्ट एन अटेस्टर. ओके, सो यू कैन स्टार्ट एन अटेस्टर एवरीबॉडी. To start up an attester node, one needs access to the authentic CLI. Then start up the node by running with authentic CLI with the following options. Bootstrap node, AVS web API. Okay, matrix server. Now here we have the bootstrapper. Okay everybody, bootstrapper. So bootstrap nodes are robust entities that maintain the distributed hash table, which is DHT. To ensure connectivity between the peer-to-peer participants, authentic stack utilizes libp2p's implementations of Cademlia DHT. So since aggregators will act as an entry point for the attesters and the performers to publish their work, they also serve as the bootstrappers of the P2P AVS network. Now the last one is syncer. Specialized roles की मैं बात कर रही हूँ. This is the syncer everyone. So responsibility. Okay everybody. So since attestation is performed on L2, while staking is managed by AVS governance on L1 operator, voting power based on their stake needs to be frequently synchronized. Okay. Currently, stake will oversees AVS and run our private syncer at 6 hours syncing frequency. Before the mainnet launch, we will transaction this to a permissionless system with detailed incentive information everyone. ठीक है everybody. Now we have the frequently asked question, what is SCAT? Everybody must be knowing what is SCAT. So guys, SCAT is a universal application layer that empowers apps to run on the thousands of chains with one SCAT. SCAT monitors each network's state, and when a user wishes to engage in cross-chain action of some sort, they sign as intent. So these intents are monitored by executors who execute them in real time. Okay, everybody? For example, if a user wished to transfer $10,000 cross chain, an executor could source liquidity from all available networks to facilitate the trade, in effect unifying liquidity. So this relies upon a hub and spoke architecture and leverages eigenlayer or fast finality. It also means that any network can easily integrate as SCAT, must simply monitor their state to then connect them to the entire network. Okay, everyone? So what is SCAT AVS? Okay, everybody, what is SCAT AVS? SCAT actively validated service, which is AVS, everybody. Okay, SCAT actively validated service, which is AVS, is an AVS that taps into the underlying security of eigenlayer to power all applications operating on SCAT, as it can be costly and less secure to bootstrap one's own security, and AVS can instead rely upon eigenlayer, which has billion of restaked ETH available as security. So eigenlayer validators can use their restaked ETH as collateral to validate for SCAT with slashing in the event of an attack or mishap. Okay, everyone? How is a stack different from the other chains? It's very important for you to understand that how this project is different from the other project and why should you invest into this. Okay, everyone? So SCAT promotes true interoperability by providing a network that connects to thousands of chains and introducing applications that have a universal application scope, which only introduces a single state across all chains. True interoperability can only be achieved with interoperability supported both on a network and the application level. There are a few other projects that also provide solutions aimed at solving application liquidity, taking approaches such as cross-chain smart contracts. However, each project has a downside. For example, having them integrate with non-EVM network can be challenging, okay, or impossible, and requires developers to deploy using their smart contracts rather than a fast and a simple integration. More news will be released soon. In the meanwhile, you can join the SCAT community on Twitter, Telegram for the latest announcements. Okay, so what is SCAT's mainnet launch? More news will be released soon. In the meanwhile, you can join. Okay, is SCAT the coolest execution layer? So yes, we are. Okay, coolest execution layer. So yes, we are. Okay, SCAT 5 देख लेते हैं. Okay, this is the SCAT 5. Alright, everybody, I think so they have provided you. Okay, but I'll just go through the about. Okay, so that you will get some sort of idea. ठीक है? So Vortex protocol is a cross margin spot, perpetuals and money markets powered by hybrid unified central limit order book, which is CLOB, and integrated automated market maker. The on-chain smart contracts of Vortex are deployed on Arbitrum, Blast and Mantle, and the order book is an off-chain sequencer node layered on the top of the smart contracts, everybody. Okay, everyone? So this is the ollies. About ollies देख लेते हैं. Ollies क्या है? So ollies are the official point of skate earned by participating in the skate park. The total supply of ollies in season 1 is 5 billion, making them a valuable measure of engagement. Okay, you can view your position in the leaderboard on the skate park, updated weekly. Earn ollies by actively using skate apps, participating in our community, and referring your friends. So holding a skate Visa Explorer or Golden gives your ollies an extra boost. Each account can only purchase one Visa, currently available on Toon via a skate passport app on the Telegram. So what is the golden age? So golden age is a period of the skate park that lasts until TGE of the dollar skate token, everybody. Okay, so all ollies earned on the skate shuffle during the golden age will be 2x. The maximum supply of ollies will remain at the 5 billion. Any Visa multipliers will not apply during the golden age. To access a skate shuffle, you will either need to own a skate Visa or have a referral code. Referral codes can only be generated by skate Visa holders. Skate Visa will no longer be sold after February 21, 2025. So during the golden age, a jackpot will accumulate on each chain through skate shuffle. Alright everybody. So guys, I hope that I have provided you all the relevant information about this project, everybody, and I haven't left any important updates, everybody. आर्टिकल्स में जाते हैं. अंडरस्टैंडिंग स्केट, ये तो हम लोगों ने देख लिया है. चलो guys, so we'll take a look on this spot because I think I have provided you all the relevant information from the relevant sources, everybody. So this is the doc. With the doc also सारा information आपको मिल गया है. X ऑफिशियल हैंडलिंग से भी मैंने आपको सारा इंफॉर्मेशन दे दिया. दिस इज द मीडियम. ऑलराइट एवरीबॉडी, स्केट SVM स्केट आप कर सकते हो कभी भी. सो दिस इज द स्पॉट एवरीबॉडी. दिस इज द स्पॉट ऑफ द स्केट एवरीबॉडी. ठीक है. एंड आप देख सकते हो जो मार्केट अभी दे रहा है वो वोलेटिलिटी के साथ आगे बढ़ता हुआ दिख रहा है एवरीवन ऑफ द. ओके एवरीबॉडी, सो दिस इज द market of the skate, everybody. It has turned out its investment costs. So guys, don't get confused between the red bars and the green bars. Red bars is signifying the upward price trend of the skate, everybody, and this green line signifying the downward trend price of the skate, everyone. ठीक है. So guys, this live streaming is going to be end in few minutes. So again I am saying, if somebody have any query related to the current prevailing topic, then please feel free to ask me, everybody. It has given you the positive percentage changes of plus 1.58% with a 24-hour turnover of 3.32 million, everyone. ये बहुत ही मेजर सपोर्ट मिला हुआ है आपको एवरीवन। So everybody, do you have any questions? Guys, do you have any questions? Please do feel free to ask me everybody. Do ask me everyone. Don't you forget to share this live streaming everybody and like this live streaming everyone. This is also we have got to see the major support. So there is no doubt that the volatility is very good of this project everyone. वोलेटिलिटी काफ़ी अच्छा मार्केट में हमें देखने को मिल रहा है। क्योंकि अगर इस रेंज को अगर आप देखो तो बहुत ही अच्छा रेंज में हमें यहाँ पे अभी स्टैंड आउट कर रहा है मार्केट। ओके एवरीबॉडी, सो देख सकते हो मार्केट का वेरिएशंस जो हमें देखने को मिल रहा है। एंड यू शुड कीप एन आई ऑन दिस जोन। So there is no doubt that the market is volatile of this project everybody. So do you have any questions everybody? Do you have any question related to the current prevailing topic of this one? If you have, then please do let me know everybody. I'm here to help you out guys. Okay, so please feel free to ask me if you have any related query. If you have any related query everybody. ओके, यू आर गेटिंग अ वेरी गुड वॉल्यूम हियर। देख सकते हो काफ़ी फ्लक्चुएशन का जोन चल रहा है। देयर इज़ अ हाई चांस कि मार्केट यहाँ से ग्रोथ ले एवरीबॉडी, ठीक है। ओके, ओनली फ्यू मिनट्स इज लेफ्ट फॉर यू टू few minutes is left for you to claim the red packet support everybody. So and how for to event end. Okay, so event is going to be end in 3 days everyone. Okay, event is going to be end in 3 days. Okay everybody, again I am reminding you, event is going to be end in 3 days. Okay, so everybody, it is going on and you can still participate in this event everybody. This is get event. So yeah, so guys, do you have any questions? Because this live streaming is going to be end in few minutes everyone, so that's why I am saying. Okay everybody, do you have any questions everyone? My dear loved ones, do you have any questions? Please feel free to ask me everybody. All right. Okay, everybody. So, all those who have joined my today's live streaming, I would like to say thank you, each and everyone who all have joined my today's live streaming. Thank you so much, everybody, for joining my live today. I really appreciate everyone. You all have come to join my live streaming. All right. Okay, everybody. So, thank you so much, everybody. Have a nice day. Take care of yourself.